Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work with Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. Remember to carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very secure, private location. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds. To receive cryptocurrency, simply open your Trust Wallet and select the specific coin or token you want to get. Then, tap the Receive button. Your unique wallet address will appear, along with a QR code. You can easily share either of these with the person sending you funds, making the process straightforward. Sending crypto is just as easy. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, then tap the Send button. You'll need to paste or scan the recipient's wallet address. After entering the amount you want to send, carefully review all the transaction details, including any network fees, before confirming the transfer to ensure accuracy. Trust Wallet also allows you to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the app using its built-in swap feature. Additionally, you can explore a wide range of decentralized applications, or dApps, through the integrated browser. This enables you to connect your wallet to various platforms, interacting with Web3 services seamlessly and securely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.